Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Chrysler 200 Series. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler has less than 157,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.